How to change the alarm volume on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is quite a straightforward process to change the alarm volume. For this, you'll have to make the changes through the device settings. Go to the device settings and then tap on or search for the sound and vibration. In some devices, it might be volume as option. Tap on it and then use the slider to increase or decrease the alarm volume. Scroll down a bit to change the alarm ringtone as well. Just tap on it and select from the different system settings. You can also choose the custom ringtone if you want to do so. Likewise, another option would be use your volume key, which is on the side of your device. Tap on the slider and you can increase or decrease it from this settings as well. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.